Before I hand the stage over to my colleague Peter Monaco, who will be the MC for tonight's events, there are a few people I would like to thank. This year's festival is in partnership with the University at Albany Program in Writing and Critical Inquiry, the University Albany Office of the Vice Provost and Dean for Undergraduate Education, the University at Albany Libraries, and the American Red Cross of Northeastern New York. We are co-sponsored by the University at Albany Vice President for Research, the New York State Writers Institute, the University at Albany Alumni Association, the University at Albany Auxiliary Services, the University at Albany Department of English, the University at Albany Department of Anthropology, the University at Albany Department of Literatures, Languages, and Culture, the University at Albany Red Cross Club, the University at Albany Community Service Living and Learning Community, and Humanities New York with support from the National Endowment for the Humanities. The 2021 festival explores one of the most popular and enduring images, the vampire. Its folklore comes to us from almost every continent and has inspired hundreds of films from around the globe, not to mention novels, short stories, plays, TV shows, fine arts, comic books, and more. Because it is so universal, the vampire has provided a powerful metaphor for prescient matters, from imperialism to the AIDS pandemic, Black Lives Matter to the Me Too movement, and arts and immortality to the death and decay of affect. As Bram Stoker scholar Nina Arbach has said, every age embraces the vampire it needs. This year's films include selections from 6 nations and 6 decades of production, including classics of cinema history and new ways of interpreting the vampire's ancient and fascinating folklore. Through the trajectory of these films and the introductions and open discussions that will accompany them, the power of the vampire to encapsulate, communicate, and represent the world as it is felt and imagined inspires us to think more deeply about what monsters and heroes might best represent our time, our dreams, and our terrors. There are schedules in the back, so please help yourself. The 2021 Vampire Film Festival will benefit the American Red Cross of Northeastern New York. To help them do the amazing work that they do, in partnership with the U Albany Red Cross Club, we will host a blood drive tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the U Albany Campus Center, room 116. There are forms in the back for you to sign up for a donation slot. In addition, there's donation information in the back for people who would rather give bucks than blood. Every drop or cent can help preserve a life. So thank you from all of us for coming out to support the humanities. Let these films remind us of the importance of the arts, of collaboration, and of coming together as a community. So please enjoy tonight's festivities. And I'd like to invite Peter Monaco to the stage.
Okay, hello, welcome. I am MC Peter Monaco. I said I was MC. I teach in the program of Writing and Critical Inquiry, and so to get things started, we are going to watch a short video produced by the American Red Cross in Northeastern New York, and then we're going to hear from a representative from the organization. So thank you again for coming.
All right, hi everybody. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch that video. If I had gotten up here first, I would have said, be prepared with your tissues, because no matter how many times I watch that video, I get very emotional about it. And that's why we do these blood drives on campus every month. The need for blood does not stop, and every 2 seconds, somebody in the US needs blood. And I was so happy that the film festival thought of the American Red Cross and kind of brought everybody together. It was so much fun for me to be a part of this and see it all come together and the hard work that goes in behind the scenes. So that has been amazing, and I do want to point out that the U Albany campus has been running blood drives once a month throughout the entire pandemic. So we made it work, we made it safe, and we've saved a lot of lives here on campus. So thank you. So we do have a blood drive coming up this Friday, and you can sign up easily by going to redcrossblood.org and putting in the sponsor code keyword U Albany Saves Lives. And that is the key word, ongoing forever. So we're here once a month. Whenever you have the time, consider coming in, saving a life. Friday, we're here 10 to 4. It's right down the stairs and you take a left. It'll take about an hour of your time, but really the donating of the blood itself is only just a few minutes. So if you have some music, it's 2 to 3 songs and then it's over. But you can leave there feeling grateful and happy that you probably made some mom or dad really happy that you're helping their child possibly get better or saving a life from a motorcycle accident. So it's really important to consider donating blood, and I just really appreciate being able to talk to you guys tonight. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the entire weekend. It looks like a fun time. Thank you.